Hi everybody, my name is Rhys Barber. I'm the audiologist here at Audiology Associates. Thank you very much for watching our video today. We've got an earwax extraction video for you, so you can see there's quite a large soft lump of earwax about 2/3 of the way down the ear canal. This patient has been using a bit of olive oil, so you'll see a bit of liquid in here as well, just to soften that wax up. We're using a standard Zollner tube to go in and remove the wax today. So you can see just trying to get a grip on it. Now, there are two bends in the ear canal, and this piece of wax is just hiding halfway around the second bend, so it's just a case of trying to maneuver this wax around the corner just to maneuver it out, and whilst trying to keep it in one piece if we can. So you can see some of the bits of wax are getting sucked into the machine already. I'm just trying to fold the wax in from all sides, trying to get a grip then on all those pieces in the center, just to try and maneuver it out as best we can. So just trying to get a grip on this this wax. Sometimes we have to take the suction machine out, just give it a quick flush through with some water, because you do lose some suction as the wax is getting sucked into this tiny tube. So just maneuvering it around the corner. It's starting to come down the canal now. Here we are, on its way. It's constantly kind of wiggling it up and down just to try and make sure we get it all out. There we go. It's one big piece. Just going to take a look behind that now. You can see that we can see part of the eardrum, but there is another chunk of wax seated much deeper inside the ear canal. So we're just going to start to lift this away. There you go, pulling from the edges. I'm taking one piece of it away there, so just get rid of that. A little bit just obscuring the view, so get rid of that on the way down. And you can see us just, there we go, just lifting around the corner. There we are. And out it comes. Let me take a look at the eardrum. Whoop, another piece just obscuring the view. Just a piece hiding around the corner, so we'll just get rid of that with a suction. There we go. Let's take a look in there. And there we are. Lovely shiny eardrum, all looks nice and healthy. You can see the large pieces that we took away there. Obviously there is some inside the suction tank as well. So if you do like our videos, then please like. We'd love it to share as well. We want to try and increase our subscribers as much as we can. And as always guys, take care.